Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening,
Yes.
evening, Miss.
Sahur. Okay, so welcome back to All-in-One Program Zoom Meeting by English Lab Indonesia. Jadi selamat datang kembali teman-teman di All-in-One Program Zoom Meeting dari English Lab Indonesia. And for today we are in speaking session. Dan untuk malam ini kita ada di sesi speaking atau sesi berbicara. How are you today, guys? How was your day?
Good, Miss.
Is it good? How was your Saturday? It is Saturday night.
Yes,
Good.
Miss.
It's great. My day is boring. Okay. Is it rainy today at your place? Yes, because here today is raining all day. Okay, guys, so uh let's jump to our speaking session. But before we start this speaking session, I would like to remind you again about our class rule first. So we have two rules in this Zoom meeting. The first one is I hope you guys can use your own real name as the display name. So it will make us easier to know each other and it will make me easy to call you. But if you getting confused on how to rename your display name, maybe you can go to participant and then your name is on the top. Then you can click the dot 3 on the right and you choose rename. Okay. And then for the second rule is I hope you guys can keep mute your microphone if there's nothing you want to say in this Zoom meeting. But if you want to say something or if you want to ask something, you can raise your hand first using the raise hand feature in this Zoom meeting, and then I will let you unmute your microphone, especially for the speaking session. So the one who wants to speak or wants to deliver their opinion or their answer should raise their hand, and then I will pick up randomly. Oke, teman-teman, sebelum kita mulai untuk sesi speakingnya hari ini, saya ingin ingatin lagi ke teman-teman mengenai aturan kelas kita di Zoom meeting ini. Jadi kita ada dua untuk aturannya. Yang pertama, saya harap teman-teman bisa gunakan nama asli sebagai nama tampilan di Zoom meeting ini. Jadi nanti akan memudahkan kita untuk tahu satu sama lain dan memudahkan saya juga untuk manggil teman-teman. Kalau misalnya ada teman-teman yang masih bingung gimana cara ubah namanya atau ubah nama tampilan, boleh klik di bagian partisipan atau peserta, terus kemudian nama teman-teman di paling atas, ada titik 3 di sebelah kanan, boleh diklik, kemudian pilih rename atau nama, kalau kalian pakai bahasa Indonesia mungkin namanya ubah nama ya, gitu. Kemudian untuk aturan yang kedua, saya harap teman-teman bisa tetap bisukan mikrofonnya jika tidak ada yang ingin disampaikan atau ditanyakan di Zoom meeting ini. Tapi kalau teman-teman mau menyampaikan sesuatu atau menanyakan sesuatu, boleh angkat tangan terlebih dahulu menggunakan reaction raise hand atau angkat tangan yang ada di Zoom meeting ini. Kemudian nanti saya akan izinkan untuk tidak bisukan. Gitu. Dan terutama di sesi speaking hari ini, untuk teman-teman yang mau bicara, mau melatih speakingnya dengan menyampaikan jawaban atau pendapatnya, boleh angkat tangan terlebih dahulu, kemudian nanti saya akan pilih secara acak. Oke? Jadi itu aja untuk aturan kelas kita di Zoom meeting ini teman-teman. Mungkin kalau ada teman-teman yang punya pertanyaan seputar aturannya, boleh ditanyakan, angkat tangan, atau mungkin pertanyaannya bisa di meeting chat. Oke? And if you guys cannot join in this Zoom meeting, it's okay. I will share the recording to your group after the class end. Dan buat teman-teman mungkin ada yang nggak bisa join, nggak bisa ikutan di Zoom meeting ini, nggak apa-apa. Nanti saya akan bagikan rekamannya di grup kalian masing-masing setelah sesi Zoom meetingnya berakhir. Okay. So, do you guys have any question? Apakah teman-teman ada pertanyaan? Nothing? Okay, so all is clear. No. Okay. If there's no question, we'll inform you about what we're gonna do in this speaking session. So for today, for this speaking session, I will provide you with a theme of the speaking that still relate to our weekly topic. It is about education, and then you will have 10 minutes to prepare your opinion or your answer. Okay, and while the 10 minute is going on, you can raise your hand. So after the 10 minutes up, you can raise your hand if you want to deliver your answer or your opinion. You can use your online dictionary tools, your online translation tools to help you to find the word that you don't know the meaning. And you can also use your vocabulary bank from our reading and also listening session. But do not use the translation tools to translate all of your opinion or maybe all of your answer. Okay, just to help you to find the word that you don't know the meaning. Oke, jadi teman-teman, apa yang akan kita lakukan di sesi speaking hari ini? Jadi, saya akan memberikan sebuah tema atau topik untuk speaking kita hari ini yang masih berkaitan dengan tema mingguan kita, yaitu education atau pendidikan. Kemudian nanti teman-teman akan punya waktu 10 menit untuk menyiapkan jawaban atau opini teman-teman. Dan selama 10 menitnya berlangsung, teman-teman belum boleh angkat tangan, tapi nanti setelah 10 menitnya selesai, teman-teman boleh angkat tangan menggunakan fitur angkat tangan atau raise hand yang ada di Zoom meeting ini, jika teman-teman ingin menyampaikan jawaban atau opini teman-teman. Dan saya akan pilih secara acak, terutama untuk yang belum pernah coba untuk melatih kemampuan speaking-nya. Dan selama 10 menit nanti itu teman-teman boleh gunakan alat translate online, kamus online ya untuk membantu teman-teman merangkai jawaban atau opini teman-teman. Tapi ingat jangan gunakan alat translate online untuk mentranslate keseluruhan opini. Jadi hanya gunakan untuk membantu kalian menemukan arti dari kata-kata yang kalian tidak tahu mungkin apa bahasa Inggrisnya. Dan bisa juga gunakan vocabulary bank kita dari sesi reading dan juga listening kemarin ya, untuk merangkai kalimat demi kalimat untuk opini atau jawaban kalian, gitu. Oke, jadi itu aja yang akan kita lakukan di sesi speaking hari ini. Apakah teman-teman ada pertanyaan? Oh, do you have a question? Gimana teman-teman ada pertanyaan? No? Okay, so if there's no question, let's see what is our speaking prompt or speaking topic for today. Okay, so this is our speaking topic. Is it more important to have a good education at school or in the home? So you can choose one of them at school or in the home. Okay, which one is more important? And you can try to train your speaking skill and also uh, deliver your opinion in this topic. Oke, jadi temanya hari ini adalah apakah lebih penting untuk memiliki pendidikan yang baik di sekolah atau di rumah? Jadi teman-teman bisa pilih di antara kedua ini yang mana yang lebih penting. Oke, jadi ini waktunya teman-teman melatih kemampuan speaking teman-teman ya dengan menggunakan opini atau jawaban terhadap topik ini. Oke, apakah teman-teman ada pertanyaan? Apakah bisa dipahami untuk topiknya atau mungkin masih ada yang bingung? Enough? Oke. Untuk modul ajar, mungkin maksudnya Google Classroom. Google Classroom available ya. Kalau untuk modulnya tidak ada. Kita adanya eh, Google Classroom ya, Mr. Ahmad Aulia. Bisa dijelaskan lagi, Miss? Oke, jadi ini adalah tema kita hari ini untuk sesi speaking. Pertanyaannya adalah, apakah lebih penting untuk memiliki pendidikan yang baik di sekolah atau di rumah? Jadi teman-teman bisa pilih di antara kedua ini, di sekolah atau di rumah, mana yang lebih penting untuk pendidikan. Ya, di sekolah seperti yang kita tahu, pendidikan di sekolah pendidikan formal, atau misalnya kalau yang di rumah ada homeschooling dan lainnya. Seperti itu ya, yang mana teman-teman pilih lebih penting, atau pendidikan karakter di rumah. Kemudian nanti setelah ini teman-teman punya waktu 10 menit untuk menyiapkan jawaban atau opini teman-teman. Dan selama 10 menitnya, setelah 10 menitnya selesai, nanti kalau teman-teman mau menyampaikan jawaban atau opini, boleh angkat tangan, ya, gunakan fitur raise hand atau angkat tangan yang ada di Zoom meeting ini. Tapi jangan angkat tangan terlebih dahulu sebelum 10 menitnya berakhir. Oke? Jadi gitu, apakah bisa kita mulai? Are you ready? Apakah kalian siap? Ya, kalian diminta untuk menjelaskan ya setelah kalian memilih, mungkin lebih penting untuk memiliki pendidikan yang baik di rumah, apa alasannya? Okay, so now we will start our 10 minutes and I will be back in 10 minutes. Okay, let's start. Oke, buat yang baru bergabung, jadi ini adalah tema untuk speaking kita hari ini. Which one is more important to have a good education at school or in the home? It can be homeschooling or character building at home. Oke, boleh di mute ya. Halo. Okay, sorry. I will mute all. Yes, you can give your opinion, okay? Jadi teman-teman berikan alasan kenapa pilihan itu lebih baik, oke? Di antara sekolah atau di rumah, yang mana yang lebih penting? Kemudian teman-teman sampaikan apa alasannya. Oh, sorry, I will be back here means we will back in 10 minutes. Maksudnya kita akan kembali lagi 10 menit kemudian ya teman-teman. Ini teman-teman silahkan menyampaikan opininya aja, oke? Yang mana yang lebih penting di sekolah atau di rumah. Kemudian sampaikan kenapa lebih penting yang di sekolah atau yang di rumah gitu, oke? Okay, you still have 2 minutes, guys. Okay, Mr. Putu, later you can try to train your speaking skills so you can raise your hand later. Oke, buat teman-teman yang udah angkat tangan boleh diturunin dulu karena saya tidak akan pilih sekarang. Oke, silahkan lower hand dulu, silahkan turunkan tangan dulu supaya fair untuk semuanya nanti setelah 1 menit 39 detik ini berakhir. Oke. Oke, buat teman-teman yang sudah uh, menyampaikan opininya di meeting chat, boleh nanti angkat tangan dan sampaikan secara langsung ya, because it is uh, speaking session. Karena ini adalah sesi speaking, teman-teman boleh melatih kemampuan berbicara teman-teman. Oke? Oke, finish. So now you can start to raise your hand. Now I will call randomly for the participant who will deliver their answer or opinion. Okay. Mr. Fendi. Hello, good evening, Mr. Fendi. Okay, Mr. Fendi. So, what do you think? Which one is more important? Okay, hello. Is there any problem? Oke, Mr. Fendi, boleh disampaikan? Boleh dicoba mikrofonnya? Atau mungkin ada masalah, bisa disampaikan di meeting chat. Kalau memang ada masalah, biar kita pilih peserta yang lain. No response? Ya, boleh dicoba bicara. Atau memang mikrofonnya lagi ada masalah ya? Okay, so now you can fix your microphone first. I will call another participant. Is it okay? Okay, so I will call another participant. Miss Icha. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Miss.
Okay, Miss Icha. So, which one is more important for you? To have a good education at school or at home?
Okay. In my opinion, it is more important to have a good education at school because we have many connection to hone our communication skills and have more interactions with friends or teachers, which can improve our social skills. Good education at school can also increase our discipline in obeying the rules at school.
Okay, so there's more benefit to have a good education at school, yeah, Miss Icha?
Yes.
Okay, it is good. Thank you, Miss Icha. Okay, it is the opinion from Miss Icha. And then next, let's hear from the next participant. The next participant will be Miss Aya. Hello, good evening, Miss Aya.
Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening. Okay, Miss Aya, now you can deliver your answer and also your opinion.
Yes, yes. My opinion is all important, Miss, because learning at school and at home is important because it can help children develop various aspects such as personality, intelligence, and moral. In addition, learning at school and at home can also help children to develop social skill and emotion well-being. Build character, develop awareness of social responsibility, get a diploma. That is the basic capital for work. Apply the knowledge gains and at school in the world of work.
Okay, both of them are important, but which one is more important for you, Miss Aya?
Uh, Once school, school,
School, at school.
yes, at school,
Okay, that is a good.
but all important sih.
Yes, all of them are important, but the more important is at school, yeah, Miss Aya.
Yes, yes.
Okay, it's nice, it's good. Thank you, Miss Aya.
You're welcome.
Okay, so next let's hear the opinion from Mr. Mino. Hello.
Hello, Miss.
Hello, good evening, Mr. Mino. Okay, so which
Mm,
one is more important for you? Good education at school or at home?
I think education at school
At
is
school.
important
Why?
because education at school teach many things, many friends, many experience, which is not taught at home. Although education at home is basic education.
Okay, so it is good to have a good education at school. It is more important, yeah, because there's a lot of experience and also social culture, social life at school.
Social life.
Yes, okay, it's good. Thank
Okay,
you,
thank you,
Mr. Mino.
Miss.
And then next, let's hear from Miss Leah. Hello, Miss Leah.
Hello, Miss. Good evening.
Hello, hello, Miss Leah. Good evening.
Good evening, Miss.
Okay, Miss Leah. So for you, which one is more important?
In my opinion, a good education is more important in the home because this is a basic education. The parents have an important role to form a character, the child, to understand and support the child. After the parents know about character and desire of child, they can choose the school exactly for their child. Thank you.
So for the basic education, it is good to start at home, yeah, Miss
Yes, of
Miss
course.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Leah.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay. Okay, and then next, let's continue with the next participant. So, I will call Mr. Kevin. Hello, Mr. Kevin.
Hello, Miss. Good night. It it is more important to have a good education at school because meet the teacher and my friend at every day and fun lesson and eat together in the canteen with friends.
Okay, so it is more important for you to have a good education at school, yeah, because there are so many friends and others. Okay, it's good. Thank you, Mr. Kevin. And then next, let's hear from Miss Noni. Hello.
Hello, Miss.
Hello, good evening, Miss Noni.
Good
So for
evening, Miss.
you, which one is more important to have a good education at school or at home?
I think education at school more important. With education at school, we can socialize with other. I think education at school can establish emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is a set capability for evaluate, manage, and controlling the emotion. Besides that, we will be happier if we can laugh with many friends, isn't it?
Yes, we can meet other friends because yeah, we can learn how to socialize with others because we meet others at school like friends, teacher, and so on. Correct? Okay, it's
Yes,
good.
of course.
Thank you, Miss Noni.
Thank you, Miss.
It's nice. Okay, and then next, I will call minute Miss Virus, Mr. Virus. Hello, good evening. Miss Virus.
Evening.
Hello,
Hello, Miss.
Miss Virus ya.
Yeah, Miss. Hello,
Virus.
Mister.
Yes, now you can start
I
with your
think,
opinion.
okay. I think both are important because if the school, we meet friends and socialize with a lot of people. And in home, like homeschooling, maybe more private and we can concentrate, understand better because the teacher focuses more on us. Yeah, like that.
Okay, both of them are important, yeah, as we know, but which one is more important for you?
Okay. I like school.
Okay,
Think
so for you,
important school.
it is more important to have a good education at
Yeah,
school because it is more private.
yeah.
Because we can
Homeschooling,
meet
no,
friend and also
homeschooling.
socialize, yeah, with a lot of people. Okay, it's good.
Yeah,
Thank you, Miss Virus.
yeah, welcome.
Okay, it's good. And then next, we will hear from Miss Endang. Hello, good evening. Miss Endang. Gak ada ya?
Yes, yes, Miss.
Hello, good evening, Miss Endang.
Good evening, Miss.
Okay, so it is your turn to deliver your opinion, Miss Endang.
Okay. I think both of them is important, but if we want a job in the future, but education at school is more important because in Indonesia, one of the requirements of entering work is to have a diploma. So I think education at school is important, but education at home or homeschooling is also more important because in school, all teachers cannot observe children. So it's important too.
Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, so it is more important to have a good education at school for better career in the future, correct?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, it's a nice opinion. Thank you, Miss Endang.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, and then next, let's hear from Mr. Syahrul Alim. Hello, good evening.
Oh,
Hello, good evening, Mr. Syahrul.
iya, halo Miss.
Okay, so it is your time to deliver your opinion. Which one is more important?
I think it is important for both home education to grow children and school education is no less important.
Okay, so
Ya,
both of them are important, but for you, which one is more important?
I think it's important education to home apa
Education at home.
at
In the
home.
home. Okay. What is the big or main reason for better education at home?
Eh, karena ya
Because
ya karena di rumah itu
because at home, okay, you can
ya,
try
house at home
slowly.
eh, ya mungkin waktunya lebih banyak saja Bu atau ya dan lain-lain lah.
Because we have more time at home.
Ya,
Okay.
ya.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Mr. Syahrul.
Ya,
Okay, yes. And then next, let's hear from Mr. Haki.
Okay, Miss.
Hello, good evening, Mr. Haki.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. In my
Okay.
opinion, both are of them important depending on the situation. But in my case, it is more important to have a good education at school rather than at home, because at school we can socialization with other students, and I feel more enjoy because the atmosphere is suitable for studying.
Okay,
That's me.
because of the social factor and also the atmosphere at school, so it is better to have a good education at school.
Yes.
Okay, it's good.
Yes, right.
Nice. Thank you, Mr. Haki.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
And then next, let's hear from Miss Winda. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Miss Winda. So, what is your opinion? Which one is more important to have a good education at school or at home?
Okay, in my opinion, education at school or at home is important, but education at school is more than important compared to at home because at school we can learn a lot of knowledge
from academic or non-academic, and we can meet many friends and teachers.
Okay, there's so many factors that made it is more important to have a good education at school. It's good. Thank you, Miss Winda. Okay, and then next, let's hear from the next participant, Miss Elfri Saragi. Hello.
Hello, Miss. Good evening.
Hello, good evening, Miss Elfri. Okay, so what is your opinion? Which one is more important? Good education at school or at home?
My opinion actually equally important. It is just that there was a purpose one. The first main thing is education at home, then education at school. Home about character attitude, school about general knowledge, technical skill, and the other. But
Okay.
if have to choose, maybe I choose education at school because more knowledge.
Then more knowledge, academic knowledge, right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. So both of at school or at home, they learn different things. For character building, maybe at home, but for academic and also social, we can learn from school. But if you have to choose, it is good to have a good education at school, right, Miss Elfrey?
Thank you, Miss.
Yes, it's good. Thank you, Miss Elfrey.
Yeah, welcome, Miss.
Okay. And then next, we will hear from Miss Fifi. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening, Miss Fifi. Okay, Miss Fifi, so for you, which one is more important?
For me, more important to have a good education at school because at school, children can learn about socialization, example like friendship, teamwork, leadership, conflict resolution, and learn to prepare for career if they to work.
Okay, yeah, so there's a lot beside academic lesson. We will upgrade and we will learn about social and also character building at school, right?
Yeah,
Okay, it's
right.
good. Thank you, Miss Fifi.
Thank you.
And then next, let's hear from Miss Aisa. Hello, Miss Aisa.
Hello, Miss.
Hello, good evening, Miss Aisa. Okay,
Good
so
evening.
Miss Aisa, it is your time to deliver your opinion. Which one is more important?
Thank you. And in my opinion, education is not just about school. It's about the transmission of knowledge. Both of them are good and important. In the home, people can freely get education. It's limitless. In the school, people can learn about socialization and structure rules. But if it's about formal education, everyone's choice depends on their needs. Like when they haven't time to go outside and can't pay close attention to their children, they can choose homeschooling. And when they want their children get more about socialization and others, they can choose school. And I choose formal school outside and private listen at home after schooling. Thank you.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Aisa. So it depends on what you want to get, the lesson that you want to get. You can choose both at school or at home. Okay, it's good. Nice. Thank you. And then next, I will call Miss Anissa. Hello, good evening. Miss Anissa.
Evening, Miss.
Good evening, Miss Anissa.
Can you hear my sounds?
Yes, I can hear your voice clear enough, so it is your time to deliver your opinion.
Okay, thank you. I think, Miss, in my opinion, it is more important to have a good education at school because you can interact more with everyone, such as teachers, students, securities, and school caretakers. And you can meet a lot of people and know various personality of them. This knowledge will be useful for emotional management, and this interaction, I think, will help your self-development and self-management. And I think these skills are very, very important for your career.
Okay. Yes, we can learn many things actually, both at school or at home, right, Miss Anissa?
Yes.
And for the better career and also better future, for the formal education, it is good to have at school. It's good.
Yes.
Thank you, Miss Anissa.
Thank you, Miss.
And then next, let's hear from Miss Rahma. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, Miss Rahma. Okay, so for you, which one is more important, to have a good education at school or at home?
Okay, I think if we talk about what is more important, good education at school or at home, it depends on the people needs. Like if people have a private life, also have a busy time like an actor, maybe the private school is good for them. But for me, in my opinion, good education at school is more important because we just not learn about a lesson, but in school we can learn. We can increase our soft skill like communication, socialize, time management, and also emotion control, and etc. So for me, education at school is more important for my life.
Okay, so it is more important to have good education at school. Besides, we can learn formal things like maybe the subject like math and others. We can learn how to build our character too at school because we socialize with others and we meet with others too at school, right, Miss Rahman?
Yeah, right.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Rahman.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Okay. So next, let's hear from Miss Nika. Hello, good evening.
Hello, Miss. Good evening too.
Good evening. Okay, Miss Nika. So for you, which one is more important, to have a good education at school or at home?
I think education at school is more important because school is a place to get formal education and a place to develop student character also. And school is also a place to building children's interaction to others so that can improve their social and communication skills. That's enough.
To upgrade our communication skills, so we need to meet others, and we can get it if we have a good education at school, right? Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Nika. And then next, Let's hear from Miss Nilsam. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, good evening, Miss Nilsam.
Good evening. Did you hear my voice, Miss?
Yes, I can hear your
Okay,
voice clear
thank
enough.
you.
So now it's time for you to deliver your opinion.
Okay, my opinion is school because the place where formal education is provided, where educators share knowledge and foster academic skill. School are also responsible for introducing new knowledge and developing skills.
Okay, so it is better to have a good education at school.
Yes, correct, Miss.
Okay, it's nice. Yeah, we can get formal education like academic. I mean, we can
Yes.
get academic knowledge from school because the teacher transfer their knowledge to their student.
The students, okay.
It's good. Thank you, Miss
Thank
Nilsson.
you. Good evening, Miss.
Good evening. Okay, and then next, let's hear from Mr. Saverius Reski.
Hi,
Hello.
Miss. Good evening.
Good evening, Mr. Saverius. Okay, so
Thank you for thank you for the opportunity.
okay, so now you can deliver your opinion.
I will answer the question. I think I will choose why? Because this is more effective and can develop our skill in knowing everything taught by our teachers, and also, of course, it's more practical to understand it, and also lesson at school can shape our character in learning, and of course there is no reduction in the materials given to us. That's it. Thank you.
Okay, it's good. Nice, thank you, Miss Saverius. So it is more important to have a good education at school because we
You're
get the knowledge. We get the knowledge from our teacher. Okay, it's nice, thank you. And then next, let's hear from Miss Sumaya. Hello, good evening. Masih ada? Oh, ada. Okay, hello, good evening, Miss Sumaya.
Yes, Miss. Good evening.
Okay, Miss Sumaya, so it is your time to deliver your opinion.
I think at school because at school we have many advantages in learning material. We also social learn.
Okay, we can learn how to socialize with other like friends, teacher, right?
Yes.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Sumaya.
Yes. Yes. Yes,
Okay.
Miss. Yeah.
Okay, and then next, let's hear from the next participant will be Miss Misha. Hello, Miss Misha. Good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening, Miss Misha. Okay, Miss Misha, now it is your time to deliver your opinion.
I think education at home is more important because through education, a person, character, and personality is formed before the child receives education outside the home. Thank you.
Okay, so for the basic knowledge or basic character, they can get from a good education at home, correct?
Yes.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Misha. And then next, let's hear from Miss Retno Listia Dewi.
Hello, Miss.
Hello, good evening, Miss Retno.
Good evening, Miss.
Okay, so Miss Retno, which one is more important for you? Good education at school or at
My opinion, education, education can be done anywhere. either at home or at school. At home is more flexible, and at school the learning is more structured. Which is better uh, depend on the education goals you want to achieve.
Okay, so it depends which one we want to achieve, then we can choose between at school or at home, right?
Yes.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Retno.
Thank you, Miss.
And then next we will have Mr. Muhammad Soleh. Hello, good evening.
Hello, Miss.
Hello, good evening, Mr. Soleh. Okay, now it's your time to deliver your opinion.
In my opinion, learning at school is more effective because it is more focused, meeting directly with teacher and friend.
More
Of course,
focus, okay?
it is better.
So it is better because we can more focus on what we want to learn with our friends and also teacher. Okay, so it's good. Thank you, Mr. Soleh.
Thank you, Miss.
It's okay. Yes. And then next, Miss Anissa. Hello, Miss Anissa.
Hello, Miss.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. Thank you.
Miss Anissa. Now it's your time to deliver your opinion.
Okay. Okay, thank you. In my opinion, the both are complete and equally important, but if I should choose one, I think have a good education at school is more important because education at school can building knowledge and skills, and I can socialize with other people, and also we can follow many activities that can as self-development.
Okay, so it's good to have a good education at school because yes, actually we can get the knowledge and also learn how to socialize. It's good. Thank you, Miss Anissa.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, and then next we will hear from Mr. Muhammad Taeb. Hello, Mr. Muhammad Taeb. Good
Hello,
evening.
Miss. Good evening, Miss.
Okay, good evening, Mr. Muhammad Taeb. Now it's your time to deliver your opinion.
Okay, Miss. In my opinion, have education at school and in the home are important, good. If you want to education at school, you can meet so much people, friends, teacher, and you can learn many skills when you can learn, especially in vocational high school. But for me, education at school is more important than in the home, Miss.
Okay, to have a formal education, it is good to have good education at school, correct?
Yeah,
Okay, we can learn many things. It's good. Thank you, Mr. Muhammad F.
you're welcome, Miss.
Okay, and then sorry, so this is the last. We'll call Mr. Safira.
Yes,
Hello, Miss Safira. Good evening.
good evening, Miss.
Okay, Miss Safira. So, which one is more important for you, at school or at home?
In my opinion, both are better. But good education at school, very experienced teacher, from friends from various social group, and in my opinion, more learning time at school. So I think it's learning at school.
Okay, so it is good to have good education at school because you can transfer the knowledge. Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Safira.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, guys. So Miss Safira being the last participant who delivered their opinion. For others, okay, for others who already raised their hand, I hope next time you will have a chance to deliver your opinion and also train your speaking skill. Okay, thank you for all of you guys who give your opinion for this topic. To have a good education at home or at school, which one is better? So from all of your answer, I think both of them, yes, both of them are important, but yes, some of you think that it is better to have a good education at school. Yeah, so most of you answered it because we can learn many things, transfer knowledge, and learn how to socialize with others. Okay, and also thank you for you guys who coming to this speaking session tonight, especially this night is Saturday night. Sorry. Okay, and for others who never try to train their speaking skill, I hope next time you will have your change. Thank you for coming and see you again next week for different topic. Okay, see you and have a good rest and have a good weekend. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you. Yes, thank you.
Thanks, Miss.
Thank you. Thank you, Miss.
Okay.